Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by launching Filmora and opening the built-in screen recorder. Choose the recording area immediately, full screen, a specific window, or drag a custom rectangle, because your capture depends on this selection. Once chosen, enable mic and system audio as needed, and toggle webcam overlay if you want picture-in-picture. Make sure frame rate and resolution match your delivery platform. Higher frame rates for motion, higher resolution for detail. Finally, assign a start/stop hotkey so you can control recording without switching windows. Now you're recording. Press your hotkey and begin the action. While capturing, pause between segments rather than stopping to keep file continuity. Use the pause hotkey to avoid long edits later. If you're using both mic and system audio, keep an eye on levels and adjust the mixer so narration isn't drowned out by system sounds. Use on-screen annotation tools and cursor effects sparingly to guide attention, and enable the webcam overlay if a presenter shot adds context. This helps viewers connect with the material while you show the screen. Stop the recorder and import the clip directly into Filmora's timeline for quick trimming and edits. You'll trim dead time, normalize audio, and add simple transitions or titles to polish the flow. Faster edits come from marking in /out points right after recording. When exporting, choose a codec and resolution that match your platform, H. 264 for web, higher bitrate for archiving. If playback shows no audio, pause, check operating system microphone permissions and the selected recording device, then re-record or replace the audio track as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.